Up guys, another video tonight. I know it's been a lot of content coming at you, but I wanted to give you the most I could. This is just my initial impressions, my initial thoughts on what is one of my dream knives that I recently picked up, and that is this. The Benchmade Model 85. Let's pull it out of this sheath that it comes with. It is a blue class knife, comes in a blue class box. I'm just going to leave it shut there for a second, let you look at it. Leave a little anticipation while I read the specs off. The blade length is 4.4 inches. Blade thickness is 0.124 inches. Open length is 10 inches. Closed is 5.5. Its weight is 5.29 ounces. And the handle thickness is 0.46 of that, of course, billeted titanium solid piece 1. Body construction handle. So the way that you open this is you squeeze it, that releases the latch. I'm just going to do the basic opening to get the knife open and show you what it looks like. Lock it up on this back end, see that it locks open, and wow, what a beautiful knife. I mean, it's essentially this just billeted titanium handles and the bearings and the blade. It is a CPM S30V blade with a stone wash finish. You can see the cutout matches the handle, which is genius. And in the lock position like this, you just squeeze it again. See that pop open? I'll just do my basic close because there's not really much room for anything else. I don't want to smack my computer. But one thing that's super satisfying about this is the audible sound this makes when this shuts. It's like a click sound. Let's see if I can demonstrate. Yeah, that was a great demonstration. Went to do one more. Yeah, the sound of quality. This feels like it's worth the money that you pay for it. This is a dream knife of mine for a reason. It flips great. Not to say that I'm an expert flipper by any means, but I think it flips well. It's well balanced. Feels great in the hand, and it just makes me feel like I have bought something of value. Can't recommend it enough. Let's have one more look at the blade. One more look at it in the open position. Oh, and of course, the original Benchmade logo with the Balisong and that butterfly. But a lot of nostalgia, a lot of new stuff, really great combination of both. My initial impressions are wow. And this magnetic latch is so cool too, by the way. It won't go back. It typically doesn't get stuck back. So that's nice. So I don't have to worry about that anymore either when you're doing your flipping. So that's my initial impressions. You guys let me know what you think in the comments. Hope you liked it. Hope you're as hyped as I am. Hope you get your own one day soon. Take care, y'all.